I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking. I don't think I can wait. I just need it.
Hey everybody! Today is Sunday, I don't know, I'll put it here on the screen. Welcome back to another week's vlog. My name's Kendra. If this is your first time here, we do everything from fashion to makeup to maintenance to vlogs to reviews. Baby, we do everything on here. Okay? So, right now it is 12:54. I just left the bank. I get some shmoney out here, you feel me? And then I just have a little bit of errands to run. Not a lot of errands, only because this is my final week of I can't spend any money. So any money that I do spend has to be legit. Like, it has to be worth it. Like, it has to make sense with what I'm doing. Like, I can't do any splurge shopping or anything like that. Like, I literally have to stick to my budget for this week. I'm sorry to you guys about last week's vlog. It was a little all over the place. I really didn't do a whole lot. I just wanted to make sure I still posted something. I'm trying to hold out on the whole Starbucks thing, but I'm like fiending for coffee right now. Like, fiending. And let's just go. Hey y'all, so I just left Starbucks. The lady did fire with my coffee. Amazing. Okay. You can always tell when somebody who works at Starbucks been there for a minute. Cause when I tell you they know how to make your coffee, they know how to make your coffee. Okay, like no ifs, ands, or buts. They got it together. Listen, if I worked at Starbucks, I heard they get free coffee while they at work. Like, I would go insane. Okay, like I'll be drinking so much coffee. Like, I remember one time, I don't know if I vlogged it, but one time I put too many shots in one of my drinks, and I was like this. I was moving like crazy. I was at work and I'm just like like all over the place. Like I say, that was the first time I really felt coffee. Like, I felt like it was strong. Like, I really felt coffee in my system. Like, normally when I drink these, it's just like a mellow. Like, it keeps me like stable, I guess you could. Not stable, I don't want to use the word stable, but it like keeps me leveled, where I get a little bit more patience, a little bit, and I get a little bit more of like a awakeness. But that day I did that, and I did that with an iced coffee. But because I was drinking water with it, I didn't crash like most people would. I'll never do that again. Target is having a sale on the boosters. I think it's like $10 for a certain amount. But I normally get the ones from Pop Shelf. They're like $4 to $5, and I get two. It'll be basically for the same price. So if I can get a bigger one for the $10 price instead of going to Pop Shelf, I'll do that. But I'll see you when I get to Target. So I just walked in the door from out running all my errands, and I was just like, you know what, let me show you guys everything that I got. So red pepper, chicken legs, ended up getting some fresh broccoli, aluminum foil, some oil, green pepper, onions, end up getting some kidney beans, some minced garlic, and then end up getting some coconut milk, And then some jerk seasoning. This is the spicy kind. I got 2 grape Arizonas because they were out of the regular Arizonas. Let me tell you something. You're not from New York or up north if you don't drink the Arizona. It don't matter really what it is. Normally, you're supposed to do just the iced tea. But when they out of iced tea, you just gotta go with what's next. Okay, this, the fruit punch, all of them. Okay. And then from Target, I ended up getting the scent beads because those were on sale. This was like $10. I should have got 2, but like I said, I was trying to stay underneath my budget. So yeah, so that's $10. And then ended up getting a hand soap for my bathroom. I was out of the ordinary because remember in the last vlog or 2 vlogs ago, I was supposed to get both of these, but they were out of the niacinamide, so I had to only get the hyaluronic acid. So that's the other one that I have. And then I had to get some more soap because I ran out of soap and I started using my Way soap, and that's too expensive to be on an everyday basis. Okay, so I ended up getting that. And then for my clients, I ended up getting the dupe for the milk grip, whatever. And I got the e.l.f. one. This one has the niacinamide in it, which is fire extra hydration. So if you're a dry girl, this is what you need, okay? So that's that. That's my little grocery haul or whatever.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner. And it's so wide. One time. I need to hold a corner. And it's so wide.
She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the Fetty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knob. Baddest little bitch from my block. Me and baddies be getting along, so they always be singing my song. Stepping outside, I'ma put that shit on. 300 and then I perform. You know I'ma get to the bag. All the hating bitches to the back. Too much to lose, so I cannot react. Damn bitches be going outside. She a baddie, she showing her panties. She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the Fetty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Feeling a smooch and I'm showing my coochie. PJs are Emilio Pucci.
Dick, that's that real shit. That's that jelly, baby. Champagne and cherry, baby. That's that dick. That's that ball drop. That's that keep going. That's never stop. That's that thick, that's that nana, that Uchi gala. Yeah, it's that Fiji agua, candy girl pinata. Hit it in the car and take you back to the casa. Bet I got you rock now. That dick all over the yacht now. That's that freak Nick, that's that 1996. That's that Moon Miami Vice, 12 in the trunk, 808. That's that Castro, eat that shit like man strokes. She say she only got it, girl, you better not lose that ass, no. That's that dick, that's that real shit. That's that jelly, that's that that's that dick, that's that ball drop, that's that keep going, that's that never stop. Maybe that's that dick, maybe that's that dick, maybe that's that dick, maybe that's that dick. Look at this shit. Ooh, that's that strawberry, that's that grape and cherry. Ooh, that's that ginseng, cut that bitch like culinary. Ooh, that's the bounce, spend my money, make it count. If it's lost, then it get found. Just keep dropping that shit down. That's that summer.
Hey everybody, welcome to another day of vlogging. Today is Saturday, September 16th. It is 10:34. I am on my way to I have to go to Sephora because I have a client this afternoon. Well, tonight is her birthday. And yesterday I had so many clients, as you guys saw. I don't know if I put it in this vlog or I put it in next week's vlog. I don't remember how I did it, but you'll know. But I have to get translucent powder because I ran out of translucent powder. I just have to get a few items because I ran out of pretty much everything yesterday. And you know something, I feel like a lot of these companies, they need to let us know when our eyeliners are, you know, empty, okay? Because they just be running out. And I buy about 4, 5, or 6 of them at a time. But this time it didn't tell me that it was over. And I went and I had one more pencil left, which is insane. But anyway, that was done. So I gotta run and go get these things. Today isn't really gonna be too crazy. I do have I think 2 clients today, which is weird because normally I have way more clients, but I don't know, I guess nothing's happening today. And it's been raining, so that always has a lot to do with it. People, you know, women, we don't like going outside to get our hair wet to go anywhere. So yeah. And then Bath and Body Works is having a sale on the wallflowers, so I think I might stop there and get me some wallflowers. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna try. I'm not sure, but I'll see y'all in a minute.
In the morning, so I feel like baby king. Wasn't black, step outside, so I just like baby king. But I'm cool, cause he also know you know it's giving cool. I got hate when it's not a look up for the nigga too.
Hey y'all, when I tell you guys it is so nasty outside, extremely nasty. Like, it looks so bad out here. It is pouring, and I hate when it rains. I hate when it rains in Georgia because people do not know how to drive in the rain, and it's like they do the stupidest things when it rains. It's like they drive, it's like they step on the brake non-stop. Like, they will drive so fucking slow, and I'll be like, I know it's raining, but can we, you know, I'm doing 30 miles per hour on the highway. Like, can we move up just a little bit? Like, I understand y'all scared, but can y'all move to the right? Like, but just left Sephora, Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works was honestly one of those not supposed to go in there, but I'm going in there, and I only went in there because I've been so freaking stressed like the past month. Like when I tell you I've been doubling up on freaking work, like doubling up. So now that I got over that hump or whatever, I'm not saying that I wouldn't be like going crazy with the shopping, but these wallflowers are $2.95 each. They're normally $7.95 each, and I only have 2 left from the last time I went. So I'm just like, I need them like ASAP. Feel me? Like, I need them because I need to clean my house, and I don't have any type of smell goods in my house. I'm trying to go to Fellini's because, like I said, your girl is on a budget, so I can't spend too much, you know. Not too much, but this is like a fairly cheap option. I can get 2 slices for $8, so that's where we're at. I can get 2 slices, $8. Is under the $10, only because I needed a black eyeliner for my clients today, because I have like 4 clients, but they're all like nighttime clients, and I didn't have any more eyeliner, like nowhere in my house. Like, I normally buy like 6 or 8 at a time, and I finished every last one of them because I haven't shopped for makeup stuff for my clients. I haven't shopped for makeup in a long time, like very long time. So I had to get this. This was like a necessity, and this was like $9. Yeah, it was $9 for this pencil, and it's like a retractable pencil. And normally I do NYX, but every beauty supply store I went to, they were sold out because they're normally like $6 or $5 each or whatever, and they were out. So I had to do that, and these were like $3. That's why I said I'm over my budget just a little bit. So, and I had to get these because my face is like, you see this right here? It's like breaking out right here. So I know my cycle's coming. I don't really have much on this side, but on this side, that's how I know my cycle's coming, because I got these little marks right here. And y'all see, I need my nails done, right? Okay. So y'all know I'm really on a budget.